Welcome back to Moto Vision Hub Showrooms. Today we're diving into the breathtaking world of superbikes with the legendary 2026 BMW S1000RR. A machine built for pure speed, razor-sharp precision, and championship-level performance. The 2026 edition pushes limits even further, combining German engineering with cutting-edge racing DNA. Aggressive superbike design. The 2026 BMW S1000RR carries its iconic aerodynamic bodywork with even sharper winglets and improved airflow management. The redesigned front fascia looks more aggressive than ever, while the asymmetrical LED headlights maintain its signature identity. Lightweight carbon fiber components and a sculpted fuel tank enhance both aesthetics and rider control. Every angle of this superbike screams track dominance. Engine and power performance. At the heart of the S1000RR sits a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine tuned for explosive acceleration. Producing around 205 plus horsepower, this beast delivers relentless speed across the RPM range. BMW's ShiftCam technology optimizes valve timing for smoother low-end torque and insane top-end power. Whether launching on a straight or exiting a tight corner, the throttle response feels immediate and thrilling. Advanced electronics and rider aids. The 2026 model comes loaded with next-generation electronics. Multiple riding modes allow riders to adapt performance for road or track conditions. Dynamic traction control, slide control, and launch control give riders maximum confidence at high speeds. The advanced IMU system continuously monitors lean angle, braking force, and acceleration to deliver precise stability management. A crisp TFT display provides all ride data clearly, while customizable settings make it race-ready straight from the showroom. Chassis and handling precision. The aluminum frame is engineered for perfect weight distribution and superior rigidity. Suspension is handled by fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock system, offering excellent feedback and cornering stability. With its lightweight construction and aggressive geometry, the S1000RR feels incredibly sharp in turns yet stable at extreme speeds. Braking performance is equally impressive, featuring high-performance dual front disc brakes for controlled stopping power. Comfort meets race DNA. Despite being a track-focused machine, BMW ensures reasonable ergonomics for street riding. The riding position is sporty yet manageable, making it suitable for both professional racers and passionate enthusiasts. The seat design and aerodynamic windscreen reduce fatigue during longer rides, while the quickshifter enables clutchless gear changes for smoother performance. Final verdict. The 2026 BMW S1000RR stands as a symbol of superbike evolution. It blends raw power, intelligent electronics, and aggressive styling into one unstoppable package. For riders who demand racetrack performance with everyday usability, this machine delivers beyond expectations. The 2026 BMW S1000RR isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement of speed, precision, and dominance. Stay connected with Moto Vision Hub for more superbike reviews and showroom updates.